If you're wondering as a beginner, what are the best IT certifications for you, this video is for you. In this video, we are going to explore a list of popular certifications. We are going to see what are the average salaries for those certifications. We are going to see that what is the difficulty level of those certifications. And then at the end, considering all these factors, I would suggest that as a beginner, if I were to recommend one certification, which one certification would that be? So let's jump right in. In November 2023, Skillsoft issued this report of the 20 top paying IT certifications going into 2024. In the report, they surveyed thousands of IT professionals asking about what certifications they have done and what is their average salary. In the US alone, they surveyed 1900 plus participants. And since there are thousands of certifications, they only took the certifications which had at least 50 responses. Based on that, they were able to identify the 20 top paying IT certifications. For the purpose of this video, I have further trimmed down the list to just look at the top 10 IT certifications. So when we look at this list of top 10 IT certifications, it goes into 4 categories. So one category belongs to Google Cloud related certifications. The other one is AWS related certification. The third one is project management certifications. And the last one is about certified information system certifications. Now, based on this Skillsoft report, they have identified the average salary of each of the certifications, which I have added here. But this does not paint the whole picture because some of the certifications are very complex and definitely not good for beginners. So I've further broken it down into 3 categories of difficulty level, which is low, medium, and high. So now once we know what is the average salary and what is the difficulty level of a certification, that gives us a good enough data points to see that what are some good certifications which are good for beginners. And if we just zoom into the certifications which are beginner friendly, which has difficulty level of low, then we are just left with these 3 certifications. All of them seem to be very good choices in terms of certifications, but if I were to pick one, I would go with AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate certifications. And the reason is that if you look at the PMP Project Professional certification, it is a good certification, but it is non-technical certification. And also, it does not have a list of follow-up certifications which you can later do to further strengthen your skill set. Whereas when we look at Google Cloud certification and AWS certification, these are very good certifications because they deal with cloud technologies, and the trend of cloud technologies is increasing with every passing year. They are technical certifications, and they also have a very nice list of follow-up certifications which you can do later. The reason I would recommend AWS certification over Google Cloud is that AWS has much bigger market share in terms of cloud infrastructure as compared to GCP. And it also means that there are a lot more job openings for AWS than Google Cloud. So considering all these factors, the average salary, the difficulty level, number of job openings, and future trend, I would recommend that if you are a beginner, you start with AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate certifications. And once you complete that certification, then there is a very nice list of follow-up certifications you can do to develop your expertise further into the cloud area. And the even good thing is that once you have some certification under your belt for AWS, doing certifications on the Google Cloud shouldn't be much big of an issue because they are sort of sister technologies. And once you learn one, then a lot of your learnings do transfer over to the other one as well. If you like this video, I've created a separate video in which I explored what are the most in-demand IT skills in 2024. Go check it out. Thank you so much for watching.